Hi there, I am Sriram Shenoy of Shenoy's Easy English. Shenoy's Easy English is into teaching spoken English. Now, the question is, why English at all? Well, the answer is very simple. We are from India, which is consisting of so many states, and each state speaking its own language. But then, the official language that is used by most of the states is English. So, obviously, it is better one has the knowledge of English. And second thing, that when a person knows only one language, he is equal to one person only. But in case the same person learns to speak yet another language, he is as good as two people in one. If it so happens that he knows many, it is as good as he is as many people as the number of languages he knows to speak. So that way, knowing a language is always a strength of the person. Now, English being our official language, it is better one learns to speak English. Number two, as I told you, our India is divided into many states. So if I am going to speak only in Tamil Nadu, the boundary of my reach extends only up to the boundary of Tamil Nadu. But then, if I also learn Hindi, then the boundary increases because Hindi is generally spoken all over India. Maybe few exceptions are there by their own choice. But if a person knows English, then his boundary gets much beyond India because English happens to be an international language as well. And yet another interesting factor is India having been under the colonization of British. English has been left here by Britishers as their legacy. And 200 years of colonization having been a pretty long period, English has also become a kind of accepted language in India. And I would say that English also has certain attributes. That is, if a person speaks English, he is always seen as a person who belongs to the elite. Number two, a person who speaks English is always a man with definitely little more confidence than a person who speaks only his own state language. So, English has the very magical attribute that increases the confidence of a person. Well, now having justified the need to learn to speak English, now I want to come over to why Shenoy's Easy English. Well, Shenoy's Easy English is going to teach English through Tamil because we all studied various subjects in school and colleges, but any subject needed a language to be taught. So, here we are going to teach English as a subject. Obviously, we need a medium of instruction to teach English. So, here we have specialized to teach English through Tamil. And since we are basically based in Tamil Nadu, we expect a lot of people who know only Tamil but have a need to speak in English will definitely like this idea. Okay, no doubt there are various other spoken English teaching institutes. In what way is Shenoy's Easy English is going to be different? That's the question. Well, we have been teaching English to various people at various levels, and over a period, we have found out what is the easiest way to make understanding speaking English easy. So, we have employed those techniques, teaching techniques, of course, to make it very simple for a person to understand to speak English. So that way, we are going to be definitely different. But then, that you can see only if you come to us and learn to speak English from us. You have to learn it to believe it. So, with this, I'm going to start my next classes of spoken English to Tamil, and I expect the viewers to extend their best support to Shenoy's Easy English. Thank you very much.